Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And if you want to delete your business portfolio on Facebook, then this video is for you. So first thing you have to do is open your browser. Now search for Facebook, or you have to log into your account. So already if you are logged into your account, then you can do is simply click on this account icon at the top right corner where you can find see all profiles. So from here you have to select your business portfolio. So for example, this is my business portfolio. You can simply go to that page here. Now you can again click on here again, and you can find settings and privacy. Simply click on settings and privacy where you can find settings. Now go to the settings, and from here at the left side you can find the settings and privacy, all of the options available here. So you have to scroll down to your information section where you can find this access and console. Simply click on it, and from here you can find three types of options here. That is deactivate page, that will deactivate your page temporarily. Whenever you want to activate it, you can log into your page and it will automatically be activated. Now unpublished page, it will just make it private. No other person on Facebook will only be able to interact with your business portfolio page, or they actually can see your business portfolio on Facebook. So you can unpublish it, but it won't delete the page. It will remain to your inventory, and only you can see and manage your page. Now delete page here is that option that if you want to delete your business portfolio permanently, you don't want it, you want to erase the data from the Facebook, so you can select this delete page from here and simply click on continue. Now you can download all of your information as a backup if indeed you need in future. So you can simply use this two of this option. You can download that information in a PDF folder, or you can transfer a copy of your information anywhere you want. Now simply click on continue. Now you have to enter your password to confirm that you are permanently deleting your page. So after entering the password, after verification, you can simply click on continue. Then it will ask for the confirmation that if you are confirmed that you want to delete the page, where you can find the delete button here. Then simply click on this delete button again to delete the page, the business portfolio, permanently from Facebook. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.